Hi. So, where are we locked out of?
Right here, and I have another one. If this is hard, I can take you on in the front if this is too hard.
Oh, I can do this.
You can do it, you said?
Yep. Yeah, I can do this.
Okay.
All right. I will have to grab some tools.
Okay, let me just help you do this.
No worries. I'll be right back, okay? Hi, kitty.
Let's go!
There you go.
How do you do that?
Yeah, special tool. It's my mystery mouse tool.
See, special tool.
Absolutely.
That was fast. Thank you.
Absolutely. No worries. I'll be right back.
Don't let her get you in trouble.
That's good advice right there.
I know.
Amira, you trying to walk to the store?
Don't let her get you in trouble, son. You always listen.
You are all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You as well.